of the Imprints Reservation and Ranjit, and today we are going to show you the rich culture of the capital of Cuba, Havana.
So this is our Airbnb. Let's go inside and show you how it is.
Welcome to our Airbnb, which is now our Mikasa. Welcome to this 1950s heritage building, and once we enter, the very first thing is this huge living space, and I can't even get started about the furnitures and the quality of all this wall decor here. That's my mom. She's busy with all the books which they have provided. And then say we have a huge mirror. Moving forward, we have a very small, teeny tiny kitchen, but it has all the equipments which we need: a gas stove, a kettle, a fridge, and they have provided like few water bottles and beer which we can purchase if we want to use it. The second thing is the washroom with commode, bathtub. It's not that spacious, but it's manageable and it has running hot water. And then this side we have our first bedroom where my mom is staying. And this is a one queen size bed, two bedside lamps, and the lamps are so cute. Let me switch it on and show you. All the furniture here are so amazing. And in this room has an AC, so you can beat the Cuban heat. Now with this corridor, this is our master bedroom where we are staying, and here also we have a queen size bed, two bedside table, an amazing art, a beautiful chandelier, and this side we have an antique dressing table, a mirror, again a full size mirror, and this is our living wardrobe. Please ignore the mess. And now the best part, one of the main reason why we chose this location and this Airbnb is that's El Capitolio, which we will show you in a few seconds. And this is one of the main center point of Central and Old Havana, which they call as La Habana. The view is amazing and it gets even more prettier during night time.
Hola. Uno chocolate cake. So we bought this cake pastry from this shop just opposite to our Airbnb, and the price is 180 pesos. Let's see how this tastes. Little hard. It's okay.
Our first stop for today is the national capital of Cuba, which is the El Capitolio, that was opened in the year of 1929. El Capitolio is often compared to the Washington DC Capitol. It's not a replica, but a meter higher, a meter longer, and a meter deeper.
You can go inside. You can buy the ticket in the kiosk inside. Let's see how much the price is. There is a security. He just said it is closed maybe. We are not going inside.
This is the Grand Theater of Havana, which is a huge palace right beside El Capitolio, opened in the year of 1915 and is the home of the National Ballet of Cuba.
Just in front of the Grand Theater you have this luxury cars, which is Cuban experience. I'm not so sure how much the price is. We'll let you know. On a bus tour, let's see what is the price. ¿Cuánto dinero?
Vale $10 por persona. $10 per person.
How long?
It's possible to use from now to 5. One complete round for back here again is 2 hours, 10 minutes more. Back in the round, it's possible get off, get on anywhere.
$10 each. 1, 2, 3. Each $10.
Yes.
Okay, perfecto. Gracias.
We just hopped on this hop on hop off bus in front of this Grand Theatre, and this is the very first time we are doing it in any country, and especially my mom is here with us in this trip, so why not?
This is only $10 per person, and the last time is 5 p.m. So every 35 minutes they have us. So we'll use this one for today, and let's see how much we can cover this beautiful city of Havana. Havana, oh, na, na.
And this cute little yellow hut kind of taxi is known as Coco Taxi. I mean, everywhere these Cuban cars, we are just transported back to the 1950s with these colorful cars popping up in the streets of Havana. It's beautiful. You just have to come here to experience Cuba.
The hop on hop off started now. Let's see how many places it will cover.
So this hop on hop off tour should be around 2.5 hours, but we can anytime hop on and hop off.
We just crossed a central park
Of La Habana.
La Habana. Behind me, in front of the water, is Telio de la Plaza. This is El Maleson. This is the place where people come, chill. Yeah, it's like Marine Drive in Mumbai. So behind me, this is Hotel Nacional. This is the oldest hotel in Cuba, Havana.
Revolution Square, it has an integral part in the heart of the Cuban people, because here in this particular square, which is one of the largest in Latin America, back in the days of Cuban Revolution during Fidel Castro and Che Guevara, here people used to come and do the protest, listen to the amazing speech given by Fidel Castro. Right now in today's world, Havana, most of the government events and different celebrations happen in this square. El Cementerio de Cristobal Colon, or the Colon Cemetery of Havana, named after Christopher Columbus, was founded in 1876. This 56-hectare cemetery is famous for its incredible religious iconography and its detailed marble sculptures. Currently, this cemetery holds over 800,000 graves and included 1 million interments. Located 9 miles west of Havana, Marina Hemingway is Cuba's largest marina. Ernest Hemingway, the great American author and Nobel Prize winner for literature, used to live in Cuba on and off for over 30 years. He is as important to the Cuban culture as he is to the Americans, and as a result, Cuba named this marina in his honor. There's a huge shortage of gas in Cuba, and thus in many gas stations we saw a long line of cars where there has been no fuel for days. The historic Castillo del Moro, or the Castle of the Three Kings of Moro, was an impressive sight while crossing the 8 kilometers long seawall of El Malecon along the coast of Havana. Constructed in 1589, this castle stands as a striking fortress protecting the port of Havana. Today, the castle is a prominent viewpoint and houses a maritime museum and a lighthouse.
They also have this horse car.
Yeah, let's go for a ride, man. An hour tour around the downtown.
Gracias.
Whole Havana. Welcome, my friend.
So right now we are in El Floridita Bar. I guess from the name Florida.
Ordered one pollo sandwich, that's a chicken sandwich, one ham and cheese, and one Cuban sandwich. 3 types of sandwiches and 2 mojitos. And this is a perfect place to enjoy Cuban music, which is famous for live music.
Gracias.
Salud. When in La Habana, do come here at El Floridita Bar, which is a very famous, more than 200 years old bar and restaurant.
And birthplace of mojito is in Cuba. Salute. Although Cuba is safe as per our local, but in evenings when we are going out, we are not taking out our camera because that will attract unnecessary attention.
Though it might look sometimes a bit,
Sketchy.
yeah, but it's completely safe, literally safe.
But the roads and the alleyways, they are dark outside because they don't have proper electricity. Since that, I'm not comfortable with a big camera. So right now, you're seeing the footage from our iPhone. Where's cafe? Cafe is 15 pesos. Uno. So we are taking those. 30 pesos. And this is hole in the wall cafe.
Gracias. Salud.
It's sweet.
It's bitter and sweet. Like it's a black coffee, but mix it with 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's how it tastes. But it will give you that hit. All these residential buildings, they have made a tiny shops out of their living room and made a like hole in the wall kind of thing. So different shops like from groceries to coffee shop to pizza shops, which we are yet to find.
All these huge buildings, all are old buildings and they're mostly worn out, destroyed. If you see this one, and I don't think they have that much of money and the resources to fix this. That's the reason most of the buildings are abandoned, like old architecture.
That's why it's still standing. Otherwise, it would have fallen apart in 10 years.
Yeah. This is the park just in front of the station. All the train models are here.
The abandoned engines are like currently placed as
Museum?
decor. Yeah, museum.
Let's show you.
Looks like this is a place for the Cubans because most of the locals are chatting around in this area. Kids are playing.
Cubans are known for waiting in the line, long lines. They're just either in banks or in front of grocery shops, anywhere. Because they're so chill people, they can wait. They can wait for hours. As I said, Cuban people are so chill. They just gather around with their friends and play like all the cards and Uno. Okay, gracias. One cigar from this hole in the wall is 25 pesos. We are not promoting cigar here. Just enjoy. When you're in Cuba, be Cuban. When in Rome, be Roman. So we are now just sitting and relaxing and people watching in the park. We have all this payphone. Let's see if it is working. Yeah, it is. This is dial tone. This is the gate of Chinatown. We have a Chinatown in Havana as well. Because the Chinese worker, they used to live here.
The Chinatown in Havana is also known as Barrio. Ironically, what we have learned here that most of the Chinese have left this zone, and Chinese immigration to Cuba started back in 1847 where thousands of Chinese workers were brought from China, Hong Kong, Taiwan to work in the sugar fields, but nowadays at present most of them have left. This is one of the largest and oldest Chinatown in Latin America. Here still people reside, mostly the old people, so it's worth a visit when you are in La Habana.
Ice cream 300. So this is pizza, so?
Hola. Pizza, ¿cuánto dinero? Finally, we got a pizza which we were looking for last 1 hour. and this is the first time you're going to have a Cuban pizza, which is eaten in this style of our favorite food, taco. So let's have a bite and see how it is. It's not pizza, but it's like a sourdough with tomato sauce and cheese, but it's very fluffy and the crust is very soft. Like the entire pizza is very soft. It's good. Thank you everyone for watching this video till this end, and we really hope you have enjoyed this video. We just reached our Airbnb. Now it's time to have dinner and hit the bed. So please subscribe and share this one with your friends and family who might be traveling to La Habana.
And please press the like button and the bell icon to get further notification. Till then,
Follow the imprints. Ciao. But this has a much bigger, an inch bigger and an inch deeper. This is the Grand National Key, and also the home of the National Cuban Key, where my mom is
staying.
with a fancy. This side we have a